Hello, this is Eric of Not BIOS, and welcome to Not BIOS Studio. You'll see tech and hardware here. However, that is my larger channel, but this one is about construction and doing, say, studio mods, among other things. So today I'm going to be installing thermal wallpaper. So you can see there's a little bit of size. This right here is a foil type side that's mildew and mold resistant, and has a film that peels off with a sticky side all here. So this is my first time ever installing this product. In fact, I haven't even opened it yet. Furnishing with different furniture can help absorb noise. That's why I have certain curtains around the room, which you might see, let's say, right here and to that side as well. So that actually helps absorb some of the sound that's happening and echoing. Otherwise, this would be horrible echo everywhere. So let's get started. Studio. So right now we're just a little over 8 feet here. It looks like 8 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4. But 8 feet, 4 inches each one. Retractable knife. And I'm going to get a good pair of scissors with me here to actually work on this. So, 2 tools. This should help solve most issues, because I'm going to want to cut holes from where my blinds are and put over top those screws that look ugly, and go around my window. Oh, and the window here, I did the framing. This wall, I did the drywall. Also did the insulating of this wall here, because it was uninsulated before. So what I'm starting with is trying to get a bit of this plastic off, but the plastic film wants to roll back into its little home. And that's what it's very difficult. So you've got to proceed slowly. And you want to make sure that corner is perfect before you stick it. And again, the film just rolled back into its spot. It's not easy to start sometimes with a project that you're not used to. And the hardest part, of course, is getting it straight. Now, anyone that's installed wallpaper will actually know that doing it horizontally, like I am here, is far more difficult. You're fighting against gravity, and that means, of course, you're going to get more imperfections. You're also pulling, which means any cuts you do are not necessarily going to work out the way you want it. So, honestly, always start from up to down. However, at this time, it's my first time ever doing any form of wallpaper, and well, this is the mistake I'm doing, and I'm taking you for the ride. So since this is a foam material and fairly easy to cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut that's a bit bigger than this entire opening that I need. Then I'm going to try trimming this slightly till I get it nice and firm against, because this can actually squish into place. And I'm going to use a straight edge, cut just below, and cut a square to fit that gap between both sides. And see if this works nicely, which I'm hoping it will. And you can literally pull when actually yanking on it before it's cut and stuck, probably a good distance like this. Plastic at the back can stick the adhesive really well, a little too well, especially if it folds over. So the one side that sticks to it, not bad once you get that little corner unstuck, but if it happens to twist back on itself, it sticks like mad to the adhesive. Oh, and by the way, the adhesive has a slight smell to it. I guess it'd be kind of similar to like one of those bug catcher adhesive strips in terms of smell. So the idea might be, how do you get a straight line? We're going to use this stick here, for instance, and I'm going to cut a straight blade across, and then from there I can now work on my next straight line and so forth. So in my case here, what I did actually is I kept on trimming down until I got the right size, made a straight line, and found one part was sticking a little more, trimmed it using that straight line board method, and now I can measure again. Part's cut now, and I'm going to start applying it. So here's the finished product, and it don't look half bad. Some little imperfections here and there. Because when installing wallpaper, like this idea is wallpaper, just thermal wallpaper, yeah, top down, not fighting gravity going across. That imperfection you see down there, that's caused because I went horizontal. So as you can see here, this thermal wallpaper is installed all around, at least to the back part of the room, and it did make a difference in terms of temperature. I woke up, opened the door, and I could feel the cool air on the outside, and also the room actually sounds quieter, so it does seem to have blocked some of the outside noise. Is that if you have any air gaps, it could cause the ability of condensation to build up between the wall and the thermal wallpaper. That goes with, well, any thermal wallpaper if you have a gap because of differential in temperature. Links will be below in the description to the link to the actual company on Amazon. Nothing here is sponsored. This link or anything, I don't have any affiliate link or anything else. If you want to support this channel, you can support this channel on Patreon, or you can simply purchase through AE Juice. Thank you very much for watching, and have yourselves a most wonderful day.
This is not BIOS, Tech and Hardware.